Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to my YouTube video for November 18th. We're getting close to Thanksgiving. There are no Thanksgiving carols, so all you can do is sort of anticipate turkey and dressing and good stuff to eat, and even better this year, a chance to spend some time with friends. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe so you get notification of when we're doing a new one. You can get more of my stuff at my free site, jubakpicks.com, link down below. And you can get even more on my paid site, jubakam.com. That's got 6 portfolios as opposed to just 3, and everything that I write as opposed to just part of what I write. And you find that link down below too. Big story in the stock market right now is the end of the year rally. How fast will it go? How long will it continue? Here's how I'd phrase the question. The rally narrows, or does it? I was looking at earnings yesterday from NVIDIA, the big chip maker that's at the center of everything AI and autonomous and massively parallel processing. They came out and they beat earnings expectations. They beat on revenue. This was after the close yesterday. And most importantly, they raised guidance for the rest of 2021 and gave a really vague stem winder talking about all the wonderful opportunities out there in the metaverse and with autonomous vehicles. And anyway, today, the stock is up, well, this is as of 1:30, so we're looking at the stock being up almost 8% on the day as of that point in the market. What is interesting is that that big gain hasn't dragged the whole market with us. That the S&P was up a little bit, the NASDAQ composite, which has got more technology in it, was up more strongly. The Dow, however, was down. And if you looked at other technology stocks, we had a pretty good move in advanced micro devices, which is in some of the same markets, up 1.5%. Qualcomm up almost 1%. AMAT, Applied Materials, the chip maker, the maker of chip making equipment, up a little more than 1%. But across the market as a whole, we saw a lot of the stocks that we sort of might hope to charge through the end of the year down. Coke, for example, was down 1%. Omnicom, which is a big advertising agency, down 2%. Chipotle down almost 2%. Disney down 1.4%. Verizon down 0.8%. And you look at this, and normally your reaction is to say, well, you know, this is not healthy. We're getting a smaller leadership group as the market moves higher, which you'd like to see is more people moving into more stocks as the market goes higher. But, and here's the big but, what we've seen today is after weeks when the big techs didn't do much of anything in this rally, today we're seeing them participate. We're seeing them, in fact, lead the rest of the market, except for NVIDIA. Okay, so here's NVIDIA. You see this is yesterday's or today's big move. You'll see how far above the 50-day and the 200-day moving average we are. So this has been just parabolic. So this is leading the stock market higher. We've got good participation from AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, which is in some of the same markets, and is also taking share from Intel. So we get that big rocket and then continued up. But what I was looking at and what I was concerned about was Disney. And here's the Disney chart. You notice that Disney's, well, peaked back in March, and then what they announced was sort of disappointing growth rates for its streaming service Disney Plus. That a lot of the people who signed up during the pandemic, when you couldn't do anything else, apparently are not signing up. So we've had this really strong drop, and it continued today. And then the last one, which I think is the positive sign here, is Apple. Apple is up about 3% today, and all that big group, with the exception of Meta Platforms, the stock that used to be known as Facebook, which is down on the day, but Alphabet, Google is up, Amazon is up like almost 4% as of 1:30. Apple's up, Microsoft up about half a point. But what we're seeing is money that had not been interested in those stocks moving back into them, and you got to go, oh, okay, so maybe we're not seeing a market rally, we're seeing a new sector, which is actually the old sector, move out to take leadership, and that would be really healthy for the market. So we're not done with the end of this year rally yet. We're not done with the melt up. I think we need to keep looking. The big event that's looming out there on the horizon is the Fed meets on the 15th of December, and we'll say something about the pace of interest rates and all that could make the market nervous going into it. But at least for the next 2 weeks, it looks like we've maybe got some new leadership ready to take this market higher. Thanks for watching. This is Jim Jubak. If you like this video, like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want more of my stuff, you can go to Jubak Picks. That's my free site, link down below. Even more of my stuff, more portfolios, more picks. You can go to jubakam.com. That's my subscription site. Again, link down below. Thanks for watching.